Hey guys, Mohammed here again. So you may have seen my previous video on the ENQUIRIES massage gun and have seen just how good massage guns can really be. However, just like most devices, the biggest issue you'll have is that they're not really portable or small enough to take with you on the go, especially if you go to the gym a lot and do a lot of sports. Having a massage gun on hand straight away after your session is probably one of the best things you can do for your body. There's a few mini massage guns out there on the market, but they don't really provide the right amount of RPM and amplitude. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing, testing and reviewing the Q2 Mini massage gun and see if this product is truly worth purchasing. But before we do that, as always guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, then please support your boy by hitting that like button below. Let's set a goal of 40 likes in this video, which I know you guys can easily smash. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the Bob & Brad Q2 Mini is a pocket-sized massage gun that provides deep tissue relief for your shoulders, back, arms and legs. The device has a compact design and can easily fit inside your bag without taking up loads of room. However, although the massage gun is really small, there's no sacrifice here in terms of performance. The Q2 has a high torque brushless motor which can provide a max speed of 3000 RPM with an amplitude of 7mm and stall force of 32 pounds. Speaking of speed, the device has 5 adjustable speed settings, which can range between 1800 to 3000 RPM, providing both relaxation and tissue repair. The massage gun has a 2500 mAh battery that can last around 4 hours of usage and can be charged via USB Type-C, which is a huge thumbs up from me. It does take 3.5 hours to charge, which isn't too bad, although it would have been nice if a power adapter was also included. Finally, you also have a range of attachments included with the Q2 Mini massage gun, which we'll be discussing later on throughout the video. In regards to the product breakdown, the device weighs roughly around 430 grams, which is super light, and has a height of 14 centimeters. The material is made from ABS plastic, which feels pretty strong and sturdy. On front, you have the attachment input, as well as the silicone grip. On the side, you have the Bob & Brad logo. Towards the bottom, you have the USB Type-C charging input. On top, you have some holes which dispenses heat. And finally, towards the back, you have the power button and LED indicator lights. In terms of packaging, on front, you have the Bob & Brad logo, as well as an image and name of the device. On the side, you have an image of the attachments included inside. And finally, towards the back, you have the logo and name again, as well as a breakdown image of the Q2 Mini, device and company information. Inside the box, you get the Q2 Mini massage gun, as well as one travel case, one bullet head, one flat head, one air cushion head, one ball head, one fork head, one USB Type-C cable to charge your Q2 Mini, and finally a user manual on how to set up. The setup process is pretty straightforward. Start by charging your Q2 Mini and then insert the attachment. Hold the power button and the device should then turn on. Press the power button to increase the RPM. Once done, you should be good to go from here. Now for some testing. When using the massage gun on the lowest setting, it really does do a great job in relaxing your body. However, I mainly wanted to see how well this device would do straight after driving, working out and after my morning jog. When it comes to massaging my foot and calf muscles after a long drive, I gotta say guys, for a tiny machine, this device is awesome. I was actually quite surprised to see that the massage gun would do so well, as I was expecting the motor to slow down after applying a little bit of pressure, but to my surprise, this little machine actually beasted through and did really well. The same also happened with my morning jog and workout. After a super long chest day, the bullet head worked really well on my chest and I instantly noticed hardly any pain the following day. Finally, the battery life was also really good, and thanks to the Type-C charge port, charging the Q2 Mini was very easy and super quick. Before we summarize guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful in any way, then please show your boy some love by hitting that like button below. Your likes really do help support the channel and it lets the YouTube algorithm know I did a good job on this one. Now, let's get back to the video. Overall, if you're looking for a massage gun that is compact and is literally pocket-sized to take with you on the go, then the Bob & Brad Q2 Mini is a device you should definitely look into. For a tiny machine, you get a lot of power that actually does the job when it comes to muscle and pain relief. The USB Type-C port is a huge plus, and the 2500 mAh battery will allow you to use your device for longer periods. The Q2 will definitely be part of my everyday essentials, and for the price you pay, you definitely get your money's worth here. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the Bob & Brad Q2 Mini massage gun from Amazon for around £70, and you can find the link to purchase in the description below. But that's all from me, guys. What are your thoughts on the Q2 Mini massage gun, and is this something that you would purchase? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tekkerreviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.